Hello, my name's Becky and I am an experienced allotmenteer and kitchen gardener, but for the last 3 years since moving house I have been without an allotment. But now I have a really cute little allotment and it's brand new. I'll be building it from scratch and I can't wait to show you the process.
So here we are. This is the allotment. It's not much to look at the moment and it is absolutely covered in weeds. There is a sweet little shed here which the council have very kindly provided to each of the plot holders. This is a brand new allotment site on a new build housing estate, and so there are 15 other plot holders all starting new allotments at the same time. A lot of them have never had an allotment before, so I thought this might be a nice way of just sharing my journey and sharing what I'm doing, which will hopefully give some inspiration to others. Now, this allotment site is quite small, it's only 90 metres squared, but it's something that I need to fit around my day job and my children. So hopefully it's something that's going to be quite achievable, but still going to grow a lot of food. So I'd love for you to come along with the journey and I will see you there.